Γεια σας. Now we will learn a common way how to welcome a friend. Imagine that you are in a cafe and you are waiting for Kostas. As soon as he arrives, you will say "Καλώς τον Κώστα." If you are waiting for Eleni, you will say "Καλώς την Ελένη." As you can see, the word "καλώς" doesn't change. But after the word "καλώς", you have to use the accusative form of the name. You can also use a shorter form of the phrase by omitting the name. For example, instead of saying "καλώς τον Κώστα", you can say "καλώς τον." Or instead of saying "καλώς την Ελένη", you can say "καλώς την." When more people are coming, you can say "καλώς τους." Or you can say "καλώς τες" if the people that are arriving are only women. So now you know one more way to welcome somebody.
Γεια σου Μαρίνα.
Καλώς τον. Τι κάνεις? Καλά.
Εσύ καλά, εσύ.
Ναι, μια χαρά. Παίρνα μέσα.
Ευχαριστώ πολύ.
Έλα, καλώς την.
Γεια σου Μαρίνα.
Τι έγινε?
Γεια χαρά.
Καλά. Καλά. Παίρνα μέσα.
Ευχαριστώ.
Ναι.
Γεια.
Καλώς τους, καλώς τους. Τι έγινε? Καλά.
Καλά.
Έλα, πάμε μέσα, πάμε.